Well, hello there beautiful people and welcome to this video. My name is Michael and I'm from Lifestylery Life Coaching, and in this video I'm going to be giving you 3 steps to discovering the purpose of your own life. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing me, please like and subscribe, that would help me out so much, and let's just get straight into it, shall we? If you can't see me, I'm down here. I believe that we are all here for a purpose, and a lot of other people believe that too. Determining what our purpose is in life can be one of the hardest questions that we as humans must try to answer. And in this video, we'll be going through it step-by-step process, exploring your feelings and options, and by the end you should have a fairly solid tool that you can immediately employ into your life to help give it a meaningful direction. So there are 3 steps to the process of discovering your life purpose. And this is number 1, understanding the principles of choice. Number 2, creating your underlying principle, which is also a mission statement. And number 3, aligning your life with the underlying principles. Now, understanding the principle of choice. So we're going to go into number 1. The greatest power we have is the power of choice. And that is an actual fact that if you've been living in unhappiness, you can choose to be joyous instead, and by effort lift yourself into joy. If you tend to be fearful, you can overcome that misery by choosing to have courage. The whole trend and the quality of anybody's life is determined by the choices that are made. So choosing is the most important activity of your mind, because making a choice, you are proclaiming your desires to your subconscious mind. And once the subconscious mind gets to know your desires, it is going to do anything, and I mean anything, to manifest them into your life. The choices you make in life become your goals. You set your goals and you choose to pursue them. And if you're sincere in pursuing them, there is really no reason why you should not accomplish them. If you really set your mind to it, it's basically law of attraction, like attracts like. Indecision, on the other hand, may not only create frustration and anxiety, but it can also confuse the subconscious mind about what you really want. But it is important that if the choices you make, they are made by you, in accordance with your true desire, purposes, and aptitude. A lot of us let others make choices for us, or make our choices according to what we think is correct, even if it means that we go against all of our wishes. What is right for someone else may not be right for you. And the way to know this is by listening to what your heart says. Whatever it is that interests you, write it down and answer these questions. So to begin with, make a list of things which interest you, things that you have always enjoyed, which make you feel better, which inspire you to surge ahead, no matter what obstacles you face. Do you like doing something creative or something artistic? Do you enjoy nature? Do you like the sea? Do you enjoy helping others? Do you get pleasure out of making a difference in other people's lives? So answer these questions. So you might want to get a pen and paper right now and write down these 3 questions. What thing do you love to do? What is it that you love in this thing and why? And how could you do this for money and make a living out of it? Because if you find your purpose, why not create a career out of it too? Is exactly what I've done. Now, we're going to be creating our underlining principle, which is going to be your mission statement. The next step is to examine the list that you've just made and find out if there is any reoccurring theme. So I'll give you an example now of me, myself. I work with the elderly, helping them live a more independent, fulfilling life as they can't look after themselves at home anymore. I tried to do something different, so I went into hair and beauty, and then I went into fitness. I become a fitness instructor. Now, I didn't know about these 3 steps before. It's only since learning these 3 steps I finally realized what I should be doing, and I found my purpose. And when I did this activity and I wrote it all down, it was all there in front of me. You could probably guess the reoccurring theme was to help people live a better life and help people live their lives to the fullest. So, which is why I've become into life coaching. So my mission statement is help people better themselves. So that's my mission statement. That's my underlying principle. So the next step is to examine the list you've just made and look for that reoccurring theme. Maybe it is the contribution that keeps coming up, or an effect to seek or give love, or helping your parents cope with old age. Whatever it is, try to identify the central theme of the things that you love to do and try to put it in a short, precise statement, and this will become your mission statement. It may be a quote from a famous person, it could be a philosophy that's influenced you. Of course, as you grow, this statement could evolve, but its soul will remain the same throughout. Now write down your mission statement. So now aligning your life with your underlying principle and mission statement. So the final step in this video and this practice is to map out a journey, map out your path to the ultimate purpose and begin implementing them changes to align your daily life with your underlying purpose. By making these changes in your lifestyle, you will be able to start living this principle out each and every day. It may take a few days, it could take a few weeks, but becoming aware of your intentions of this underlying principle of your life, you will certainly start to feel the difference in your enthusiasm for life as a whole. You've got this. If you realize that you love being amongst nature, plan a holiday. Maybe an outing with your children could be enough to recoup your energy. If you discover that you enjoy helping others in need, start to look for opportunities and volunteer in your area and your community. And on the other hand, you might even want to change your job or start a business that is in line with your mission, which is exactly what I did, which is why I've come into life coaching. I just love it. I enjoy it. I love helping people set their goals and reaching them. So there you have it. By following along with these steps outlined in this video, you will be on your way to finding and living out your purpose. And as you go through this process, just remember, Steve Maraboli once said, you were put on this earth to achieve your greatest self, to live out your purpose and do it courageously. So thank you very much. So thank you for watching this video. These are all my social medias, so if you have any questions, you can message me, DM me on all these social medias. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. If you've taken something from this video today and you want to take it with you, there is an ebook which is linked down below, and there's also a podcast that's linked down below, absolutely free. So yeah, thank you very much. And I shall see you all in the next one.